Hey guys, welcome back to Reolink Studio. Today we're giving you a guide on setting up 24/7 recording with your Reolink camera. I'm Fabrice, and today we're going to walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. Let's understand why 24/7 recording is essential for your security setup. Unlike motion activated recording, 24/7 recording ensures that every moment is captured, providing a continuous surveillance feed. All Reolink cameras are champs when it comes to shooting non-stop 24/7. You can stash all that footage on an SD card or let it roll into a network video recorder, an NVR. So whether you're a night owl or just paranoid about missing something, this camera's got your back. Always watching, always recording. Now, method 1. Let's get hands-on. Make sure you've inserted an SD card in your camera or connected the camera to an NVR. Pull out your trusty smartphone and fire up the Reolink app. If you don't have it yet, hit pause, download it, and then come back. Once you're in the Reolink app, navigate to settings. Move on to camera recording. It's a key area where you have control over the specifics of your surveillance system. Once there, enter the schedule menu, resembling a well-organized planner for your security operations. You'll notice 7 columns, each representing a day of the week. This is a practical approach ensuring a smooth and continuous recording process. Pick a day, define the desired recording period through a deliberate long press, and then hit enable. You will see a distinct blue segment appear, indicating uninterrupted recording during that time. For those who prefer constant surveillance, hit enable for all time slots. An important feature here is the ability to replicate these settings across days, ensuring consistent and comprehensive coverage. Hit save to save the settings. This careful configuration transforms your Reolink camera into a steadfast guardian, always watchful across the entire time. Now for our second method using the Reolink client, your camera's desktop ally. Pull up the Reolink client and enter the settings page for your camera. Click on surveillance. Here, find the record switch and flip it to enable. That's a green light for continuous recording. Hit schedule. Now, choose timer. Enable all or drag your mouse to select all the grids. Each grid represents an hour. You can opt for scheduled recording. Choose specific hours by clicking on the corresponding grid. This is perfect for those times where you only want the camera to be extra vigilant. Now for our third method. If you have an NVR and your camera is added to it, here you can set up the schedule for the local storage. Let's dive into this advanced setup. Right-click the mouse to get the control bar. Click on Settings at the bottom and then navigate to Surveillance. This is where the NVR truly shines. Go to Record and toggle to enable it. Then click Daily Schedule. We're about to craft the recording masterpiece. Now, choose the camera you want to set up. Handy if you have a squadron of cameras. Toggle to enable. Click Timer. Here, one grid stands for 1 hour. The blue grid means to enable, while the gray grid means disable. Click Enable and fill in the grid. When all the grids are in blue, voila! Your camera is now set up to record 24/7. If you have multiple cameras, you can apply these settings to all of them by clicking Apply to Other Cameras. So there you have it. With all these methods, your Reolink cameras become synchronized recording sentinels, capturing every moment as you wish. It's like having a personal security army at your fingertips. And there you have it, a 24/7 recording tutorial. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below so we know what you want to see in our next upcoming video. Thanks again for watching this video, and we'll see you again on our next one. Bye bye.